Joe. Yeah, the skate's sticking.
Yeah.
Was the pan hot enough? Because look,
no.
let me show you something. Look. Yeah, not enough colour. Come on. If it's boiling, you get a completely different flavour. No good. Yeah. Quite thick, though, huh?
Yeah, they were big ones, then.
We like a big one, don't we, love?
Got to baste them. If you don't baste them, they're not going to cook on top. Yes? Beetroot in. Good. Nice. Right. Good, good, good. Watch when you place them in there. Watch. Careful, 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 careful.
Woo! Oh, where's them fryer brigade when you need them?
Watch your fingers, Lisa. Lisa, that's nice. Beautiful colour.
Yes, chef.
Come on, Lisa. You're doing very well, darling. Let's go. Yeah? Are you always looking this fucking miserable? Come on. Huh? Why is that?
When I'm concentrating,
When you're
when I'm
concentrating.
trying to work hard.
You like this at work?
I always look miserable.
Good. Go, please. Let's go, table 3. Let's go. 4 more away, yeah?
Here we go.
It looks lovely, thank you.
First time I had skates, and the fish was great.
So disappointing and just greasy.
The beetroot was gorgeous. It had little bits of cheese in, which gave a really unusual flavour.
Okay,
Well
Gordon.
done, ladies. Results of the main course, yes?
Come on, ladies.
Maz, how do you think you did?
I thought you did all right.
29 out of 50.
Yes.
What? Why?
The one just been big reason, too greasy.
Unbelievable. You know, I personally felt you did a fucking good job. You can pull it back, yes,
Come on,
with the
ladies.
dessert, yes?